Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Durga Puja. I mean, by the time you will see this video, it is Durga Puja. So sorry for being a little late, but oh my god, like this looks incredible. Oh my god, my bindi is a little... Okay. So this looks amazing. And I tried on a bunch of new products in this video, so I'm going to mainly focus on them, not show you the usual steps, but I am giving a tutorial of this eye look which turned out so well. I mean, Bengalis on Durga Puja are known for their typical kohl rimmed eyes, and I wanted to do a little like the same thing but a little different. So this is my little different. I hope you guys like it because I think this looks amazing. So let me know what you guys think, and here's the tutorial. The first product is the Smashbox 3-in-1 Revitalize Primer Essence. It's an upgrade from the usual primer water. It claims to prime as well as set your makeup. And I applied very less, and I did feel that it is hydrating, but I need to use it a little bit more. The next product is the NYX Pore Filler Primer. It's a matte primer and I didn't expect it to be tinted, to be very honest. I thought it's more silicone-y, but it's a tinted, very comfortable primer and it really mattifies. Like you can see here, if you are an oily skin girl or a combination skin girl, this is going to be your best friend because it really mattifies and covers those pores. Next was a product I was very excited to try. This is the Gush Beauty Glow Getter Illuminating Moisturizer. As usual, I applied very less because this is the first time I'm using. I've applied all the products very less and it does give a very radiant glow from within. You can see it here. I like this product and I would recommend it after my first trial, and I'm excited to try it out this festive season. Another product I was super excited to try out. Expensive product but so worth it, guys. Like if you want to pick up one product from this video, this is the product. It does not, like, it justifies all the hype. I don't really use many base products, but tints are something that I'm very intrigued by. So look here, look at how radiant my face looks. The glow, I cannot achieve this glow with anything else. This product, 10 on 10, absolute 10 on 10. I applied it with my hands and look at my base. Absolutely the best product for this festive season. Coming to another product that I had in mind for a couple of times. I mean, I wanted to purchase this for a very long time. This is a cream contour by Makeup Revolution and it has 3 shades. I got the lightest shade. And what I can say in my first impression is you have to really build it up. It's a cool toned contour shade and I really needed to build it up more and more. I was applying less, I'll be honest, but you have to really, like, you know, continue building it up or directly apply it on your face like I'm doing over here on my nose. And now you can see that it has a very good, like, that typical contour shade and it's got a good pigmentation. But again, like for my cheeks, I had to build it up really well. I will have to use this a little more to actually give a solid review. I did apply a little bit on my eyes, but it didn't work, so I just went with my usual eyeshadow stick. Okay, so this product, don't tell me you guys have not seen this on Instagram because Instagram made me buy this. This is the liquid blush by Prosh Beauty. And their pigmentation is really nice. Apart from their very cute packaging, the product is also a good product, something that you can invest in. This was a pink shade and I took my time to build it. It has a semi-dewy finish and has a good long-lasting power. I mean, it's not too long-lasting, but it's somewhere in between. I would suggest you set this with a little bit of powder blush because it will not last the entire day, that is for sure. So build it up and then set it. Okay, coming to my eyes now, that is the main part of this video. I'm going to use this eyeshadow stick from Chambor. I've never really used this on my YouTube channel, but it's a good product. My mom loves it. With an angle brush, I'm going to draw a winged eyeliner close to my waterline, not too out there, and then clean up the wing with a concealer, a brightening concealer. And then I'm going to take the same eyeshadow and sort of draw an inverted wing on my lower lash line. You have to really take your time to perfect this. Don't join it with the upper wing. Just keep it straight, and that is how the eyes look. It looks really, really nice, really dramatic, really festive. I'm going to define my upper wing with a liquid eyeliner to make it more distinct. You can skip this step and just stick to the eyeshadow, or you can define your lower wing as well. I'm going to now use Maharani by Nykaa, the perfect red lipstick for Indian skin girls for the festive season, for my lips, and that concludes my look. Let me know what you guys think. I do have one more step that I will add after this, but this is how you can end it and just go on with the festivities. I wanted to try out one last product to give a sort of edge to the whole look. I tried out this liquid highlighter from Lakme. It's a pinkish toned highlighter. You have to apply it like really quickly and blend it out, otherwise it sort of sets. The part of the liquid that is on my hand, it sets really fast. But oh my god, it's such a blinding highlighter, such a good purchase. Absolutely would recommend it. It completes my look here. I applied it on the high points of my face and concluded the makeup look. I really loved how this look turned out. I hope you did as well. Let me know your thoughts, and I hope you all have a nice time this festive season. Bye.